Embraced by everyone from David Gilmour to Jerry Douglas, the SlideRIG delivers clean, infinite sustain in true Little Feat fashion. In the studio, Lowell George used a pair of 1176 rack compressors chained together in series to create his trademark tone. Clean and shimmering, yet full, fat and dripping with sustain. This was the inspiration behind the original large format SlideRIG, with the SlideRIG Compact Deluxe setting out to provide the same performance and unique features whilst drastically reducing the pedal's footprint. The SlideRIG Compact Deluxe Mark II adds the ability to adjust attack and release times, a first for the SlideRIG series. Like all of our Compact series pedals, the SlideRIG Compact features high current, discrete, Class A circuitry for transparent, low noise performance. We've taken a no compromise approach to the circuit design, using only the best of modern components. The SlideRIG Compact Deluxe gives you easy access to conventional single-stage compression, as well as the SlideRIG's trademark dual-stage compression. Using the pedal's three-way mixer controls, you can blend in your dry uncompressed signal alongside the single and dual stage compression signals.